call me uncle or sir. Just later on, you guys can call me Anna. And now I'll be passing it on to Auntie Sudha. Sarah Auntie.
Sai Ram to our Sai Spiritual Education Group 3 classes. Welcome to our class. And in this session, we are going to tell what we are going to learn in Group 3. Okay. So for any technical assistance, you can call Prashantini. Her phone number is already there. Anybody have any problem, please call at this number. Okay, then in this class, we have some house rules. I think everywhere we have house rules and all the rules are there. So here we got house rules, and these house rules comes with attire is very important. You have to wear white or traditional attire, and you have to sit in front of computer. Don't eat anything. You can bring one bottle of water. You can drink water, but no breakfast. Then sit in a proper place, not on the bed or any other places. Okay, and you have to mute your microphone unless if it is required, or we ask you to unmute. Then you can unmute if you want to ask any questions or anything. Keep your video on at all times. We want to see your faces. We cannot teach without seeing your face, isn't it? We want to see your expressions. So you have to keep your video at all times. Then any questions you have, you can use chat room. Okay, you can type in. So we will get that questions and we'll answer it to you. Okay. And as I told you, please be in a quiet environment. If you sit in the noisy place, it will be very distracting, isn't it? So we have to be in the normal place and actively discuss during classes and no judgments throughout the discussion. You have to participate. Whatever it is, you have to participate. Okay, the must wear dupattas all the time. Okay, so you all okay with the house rules? Understand? Okay, then we'll pass it to the next slide. Okay, guidelines for SSC Group 3 e-learning. These are some guidelines. Please end webcam. Okay, that one gone. Anyway, I have to introduce our Group 3 gurus. Our head of the department is Jiven Ramrao. You can call him Jiven Anne. And Shangari Akka, Prashantini Akka, Yuha Akka, and Trishna Akka. Uncle Rama, Auntie Mano, Uncle Prem, and Auntie Sudha. And I'm Sudha, Auntie Sudha. Okay? Okay, all okay? All of you familiar with your Group 3 gurus?
Yes, Guru.
Okay, you can use your chat room. Okay. Okay, we have 4 themes. Okay, we have 4 themes. Value Day, Sami Day, Go Green Day, and Interfaith Day. What we'll do in Value Day, we will take all the values and we start teaching you. And we with the story, we with activity. You can see some of the stories and activities and how we do in the Value Day classes, discussions, video watching. And it's very, very fun-filled class. And you will learn a lot of values during these Value Day classes. Okay. The next one is Swami's Day classes. Swami's Day class, we will learn Bhagavad Gita or Bhaj Govindam. Okay. In this year, we learn Bhagavad Gita. Okay. We learn Bhagavad Gita. According to the sloka, we will learn the story. We learn the mantra, the slogan, how to recite, and then the assignments, then the activity part, all you have to participate in it. Okay? You all participate or not? You can use the chat room to say yes, yes or no.
Yes,
Okay.
Guru.
Yes, we want to hear that. Okay, all of you must participate. Everything. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll go to the next class. Go green class. Go green class. Everybody knows it, indeed. Okay. How we had to take care of our environment, isn't it? Environment is very important. Without a good environment, we cannot live a healthy life. So here we
Hi,
learn.
Guru. Sorry to interrupt.
Uh-huh.
I think I was moved from nursery to group 3. I supposed to be in nursery.
Oh, okay, Akka, we will move you, Akka.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Sorry for that. Okay, okay. Somebody will be taking care of that. I'll move to
Sorry,
go.
Auntie, let me just interrupt for a while.
Uh-huh.
Akka, I think you are assigned to this slot now because I think your eldest child, which is Varshana, is from this class. So you start with the eldest first, which is in this class, Akka.
No. I think you got a wrong one. My name is actually Tilaga Supia. I only have one son.
Oh, okay, Akka.
Divi Vijay Kumar.
Okay. Thank you, Akka Saram.
Okay, sign off.
Sairam.
Okay, Saira. So go green class again. So we learn about values, the go green, topic based activities, brainstorming, discussions, all will be in this class, go green class. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Interfaith day. Interfaith day, you will learn about religion, not only Hindu religion, other religions and the other God forms, other values, and with that, storytelling will be there, and quiz competitions will be there, and assignments, question answers, how we are going to here this you can see the Buddhism, what is Buddhism all about, what is the noble truth about, how we had to how much we had to know about Buddhism, the question answers, quiz competition. This will happen in every interfaith day, so you will have enough understanding about each and every religion. Okay, the next one, techniques. We have 5 techniques. Okay, 4 themes and 5 techniques. The 4th theme is what? Value Day, Swami Day, Grow Green Day, and Interfaith Day. Okay, teachings, techniques, prayer, group singing, storytelling, group activity, silent city. Prayer. Okay, we start the class with prayer. Group singing, that is where the bhajans going to come, and you will be learning new bhajans, and we'll sing together. Okay, that is group singing. Storytelling, the teacher will tell you stories, and with that story we'll be giving you some group activity, and the last part is silent sitting. Why we are doing silent sitting? Because we had to absorb whatever we learned during the class. We need to sit in silence and absorb all the good things. Then you can put it into practice, all the lessons you learned from. Okay. So these are the 5 techniques we are taking. In between, you all have any doubts, please ask me, unmute and ask me. No problem. Okay, so we'll go for the next one. The values. What are the 5 values? We teach all these values in our value day classes. It's not in one day. We have 10 classes about values. So these 10 classes will cover these 5 values: love, peace, non-violence, right conduct, and truth. Okay, these values are very important for in your life. Without values, there won't be any character, isn't it? We cannot live in this world without values. Valueless, I don't think so we can live a good life. Okay, so these values are very important and we'll based on our classes or based on these 5 values. These are the values given by our Swami Sri Satya Sai Baba. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, now it's very interesting session. Balavikas journey by gurus. So for that, I'm going to call upon a few gurus here to listen to their talks. Okay, first I'll call Jivain.
Hello guys, Saram. Okay, now Balika's journey by gurus is it actually means that we'll be sharing about our journey, how we felt when we were like students, how we actually joined, and how we are now. Okay, my journey in Balikas started when I was 6 years old, which is now counting back, it's 15 years. I'm 21 now, so it's 15 years already. And when I joined, I will tell you I'll straight tell you I was very introvert. I was very quiet. I might have made some fun along the way, but I was very quiet, which I think I'm still am to a certain extent. I'm still quiet. You guys might be shocked. And yeah, I learned to step out of my comfort zones, which really helped me. I learned few new things, and which I'll tell you straight that when I stepped out to the world, when I started studying for my college and everything, it was really helpful. I could see the difference between how my friends are, how introvert and how like shy they are when it comes to presentation and all. I could really see that Balikas really helped me to step out there and take responsibility and do it on the spot. And also now looking that I'm the coordinator for group 3, which I feel that I can do it. I have the responsibility and I have the patience to take and do this. Thanks to my other gurus, thanks to Auntie Sudha and everyone who actually taught me, really put me in the spotlight to talk and everything. Basically, I'm very proud and very happy of my own self that I actually joined to group 3. Next, I'll be passing it on to Krishna.
Hi Ram. So I'm Krishna here. I joined Balvikas since I was in kindergarten. So from until I graduated from Satya Sai Baba Center. So throughout that long term of me being under Balvikas, I learned a lot of things, and I also joined I had the opportunity to join many activities like storytelling, art competition, Go Green, Walk for Values and everything. So through these activities and also through the classes, I learned a lot of things and values which I could apply during my daily life activities, and also helped me in my studies and everything. So now I've joined back as a guru, and in where I am confident that I would like to help the students here to also experience the great journey that I went through, and to show that Balvikas is also a very fun class and also a very knowledgeable class. So thank you.
Introduce. Next.
Okay, I think we can continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then so now you all heard about these 2 wonderful children. Okay, now we go for our promotion video. You see what we are doing in our class in the video.
Welcome to SSE Balvikas Group 3. Balvikas Group 3 focuses on children in the age of 12, 13 and 14. Balvikas is based on the 5 core values: truth, non-violence, right conduct, peace and love. Our classes mainly focuses on 4 themes: value, interfaith, Swami's Day, and Go Green. Our online classes are conducted via Zoom platform. Our gurus and the students communicate via Google Classroom platform. This is our 2020 Google Classroom platform. A code will be given for the child to register. We use Google Classroom to assign tasks and activities for students at home. And we have a lot of fun and exciting games and activities for the students. Let's see what the Balvikas children has to say about their classes.
Sairam everyone, I'm Darshina Nagaraja from Balvikas Group 3. This year, even though we couldn't meet up in person and have fun together, we really enjoyed the online Balvikas classes. We got to play fun quizzes and games online with the help of our Akkas and Annas. On the other hand, our gurus conducted many wonderful classes.
The classes were very fun and interesting. I learned many things. So I know the gurus would have had a tough time, but they made the classes very lively with so much of energy. Seeing the smiles on my gurus made me very happy and excited for the upcoming classes.
See you all soon. Saram, bye.
Hope you all enjoy the video. Okay, now we go for the additional activities to look out for. Okay, we have camp, Educare Week. We will be thinking how we're going to have camp in the online classes, during online classes. I think our education coordinator is doing something to have a camp online. Okay, and Educare Week also. We want to bring out all your talents through Educare. And these two, camp and Educare, we're going to come back into our Balvikas class this year. And Naveen Anne already talked about BBTP and Veda class. So we'll be incorporating these two in our class. So it will be okay. It will going to be very good year for you all to learn a lot of things. Okay, the next slide. Okay, reward system. For this, I'll call upon Shankari Akka.
Hi Ram. Okay, so the reward system. So when you're in class, you have to be actively participating, right? That is one of the main rules in the beginning. So every time you actively participate or when you answer questions, you will be receiving points. And by end of the year, you can redeem the points you have collected with a special surprise that we're not going to tell you all yet. That you will know later. But you have to remember that when we ask you a question, when gurus ask you questions during class, you have to unmute and answer and make sure you're actively participating. So remember, every word counts. You will receive points and you will be able to redeem a gift by the end of the year. Okay? Sairam, thank you.
Before we go into the next slide, okay, already a slide came. I want to call upon all the other gurus like Brother Rama, Shantini, Shankari, Yuha, Krishna. Anyone want to put into some more in-depth, any insight into this session? Brother Rama, do you have anything to say? You want to?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sairam everyone. How are you all? So nice to see the old faces as well as the new faces. Okay, somebody put up, I think Grisha put up a hands up just now. Grisha? Did you put your hands up just now?
I put clapping, uncle.
Clapping, now hands up. Okay. Okay. All your children, okay, those who are new, welcome to the class. I'm sure you all enjoy this class. Group 3 is a very lively class. We'll have a lot of fun. Okay, we have a lot of fun. We got a lot of young gurus also. We got some, even I am also young, very young at heart. Okay, so don't feel anything. We want you all to talk. That's most important here in this class. We want you all to talk. We want you all to voice out. Okay, you must be able to interact with us. That's the most important thing in this class. So if you have any questions, don't feel shy to stop us and then ask us questions. We are most willing to help you all. Okay, and then other than that, we want your participation, your full-hearted participation. And the most important thing, you parents especially, for the parents, try to make them attend the class. Every class, try to make them attend. Because if you miss one class, then the continuity is not there. So you go to the next class, you will not know what happened in the first class. So the continuity will not be there. So it's not fair for us to teach that child alone what happened in the earlier class. So try to attend every class. I'm sure you will have school activities, you will have other activities, but try not to miss his class. Every week is only 2 hours. Okay, yeah, that's from me. And any other gurus you all want to chip in, you all can chip in.
I think we need to do the question answer session.
Yeah, question, yeah, sure. Any questions you all have? You all have any questions, please, you can raise your questions now. We will be willing to answer. I'll be in the background. All the other gurus will answer.
Right. Even questions in Tamil are also welcome. We do understand Tamil and we can answer.
Tamil also can, English also can, Malayalam also can.
Telugu also can.
Can.
Any language can.
Not any language like Chinese யாராவது கேட்டாங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு புரியாதே.
Chinese நான் பக்கத்துல வச்சிருக்கேன் ஆளு.
Japanese இருக்கு.
Any questions, please?
No questions. We are waiting to hear your voices. To hear your voices.
Sairam Guru.
Sairam.
Behalf of Sharan. Sharan, come here. Say Sairam to all the gurus.
Can I have your video, sister, Sharan?
Sharan, come. Yeah, sure.
The time is good to end.
Okay. Sairam Guru, can you all see us?
Sairam auntie.
Sairam Sharan.
Sairam Anna.
Sairam Anna, very good. You I like. What? Do you have any question, Sharan? Believe in it. Okay.
No.
Any questions?
Sairam, I have one.
Yes, please.
This is on behalf of Dania here. Dania, say hello, please. Sairam Guru.
Hi, Dania.
Hi.
Now that we don't have school, she will be able to join on time. But when school reopens, right, she has Taekwondo, which she's been going for many years, until 9:30. So she might be a little late for class when school reopens, and if that happens.
Until what time, sister, the classes?
For now, they have until 9:30, right, Dania? 8 to 9:30. 8 to 9:30 in the morning. So I understand the class starts at 10. So she'll be a little delayed because she has to come home, shower, and then leave.
It's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, thank you.
A little bit of Veda class and all that. She'll be missing that.
Basketball? We'll worry about that later. Okay, thanks.
Okay. Lot of items lined up for her.
She's a bit busy in school.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Any other?
But they all fall on Saturdays and Sundays, so that's the biggest problem at the moment.
Yeah, true. We can on Sunday because most of we are actually volunteers, so a lot of them are working adults. So only on Sunday we have this.
I get that. So never mind. We'll make do with what we have.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions?
Hridaya, you got any questions, Hridaya?
No, I don't have any questions.
You are one person I saw so attentively listening.
Yeah, correct.
So attentively listening. So I thought you definitely will have some questions. No,
So Hridaya, are you excited to join the class?
Yes, I am.
I can see your attentiveness. Very good. We are ready to welcome everybody to the class. This is Prashantini Akka, by the way. I'm just not turning on the video because I'm doing some work.
Okay.
So I'm really very happy to see you all next week for the class. And yeah, Auntie, you can go ahead, Auntie. We are almost done.
Almost done. I think our time also is finishing.
Yeah.
Another 4 minutes only. That's why I was a bit rushing just now. I don't want you to, without asking any question, going to the other class.
We got we got 4 minutes. So you got any questions?
Yeah.
You can ask questions within this 4 minutes. After which you all can actually exit. I think you'll be automatically out, and then we will be waiting for the next group of people to come in. Okay, so the time is running. So any questions, please feel free to ask us. We are here.
No, uncle, nothing.
Nothing,
some of the parents would have another slot to join, which will be sending you guys there automatically.
Okay.
So some who has like only one child here, you guys are free to leave after this session. And okay, continue. You want to say anything?
So next week there's a class. Next week we will start the class proper. And parents, if you want, we welcome you to join that class. That is the actual class where we're conducting a lesson. So you all can see how we are conducting the lessons. Only for next week that is open for parents. After that, parents are not allowed to attend really. Okay. So next week we open for parents so that they can see what we're actually teaching. So we want you to join us so that we know what kind of techniques we use to teach your children. Then after that, it is strictly for children.